Hi, it's Laura from Divine Light Yoga. Today I'm talking about some techniques on how you can use mantras or affirmations with children and teens. So how can you make mantras interesting and engaging? Mantras are a really great way to support children's mental and emotional well-being. When I talk about mantras here, I'm talking about affirmations such as I can or I am. So I am strong, I can do this, I am enough. Those kind of mantras and affirmations, which are reinforcements to the children and teens and for you also. So of course we can use mantras in a mantra meditation where we sit with the children and we ask them to repeat the mantras either out loud as a chant or music, or internally in their minds, asking them to repeat the mantra in their mind 5 to 8 times for the younger ones, or for 2 to 3 minutes with the teenagers. But aside from mantra meditation, what else can we do to keep mantras and affirmations fun and engaging, especially for the younger children? One of my favorite techniques, especially for parents, for families to use this at home, is to write a mantra on a post-it note and then place the post-it note, the sticky note, around the house. So it could be that you write a mantra, I am strong, I am beautiful, and you stick it on the back of their door so that when they open up the door in their bedroom door in the morning, that's one of the first things that they see. Or you could stick it in their lunchbox. So when they open up their lunchbox at school, then they have their mantra right there, just as a visual reminder, and they will automatically say it to themselves. So all of those positive affirmations being reinforced in small doses throughout the day. Another way that you can use affirmations and mantras, also a great one at school as well as at home, is to make it into a game. So I like to create a treasure hunt. So again, it could be you write it down on a sticky note or on a card, and you hide it in different places, either in the classroom, the playground. If you're doing this at home, then perhaps you could hide them in the garden or in various places around your house. So making it into a fun game so that whenever they find their affirmation, then they have to read it out loud. And you can also do this with the younger children. So perhaps they can't read, but if you're working with them, then you can help them once they've found the card, that you can read it with them and say the affirmation together. So those are just a couple of fun ways in which you can use affirmations either at home, at school, or one-to-one settings to be enhancing children's mental and emotional well-being and to be consistently reinforcing those positive affirmations.